Did you know that one of the key factors in maintaining your cat's happiness is ensuring their ears are clean and healthy? A cat with clean ears is a happy cat. Clean ears not only contribute to your cat's overall well-being, but also prevent potential health issues that could cause discomfort or pain. When your cat's ears are free from dirt, wax, and parasites, they're more likely to be in a good mood and exhibit positive behaviors. Taking care of your cat's ears is super important. Regular ear checks can help you spot any signs of trouble early on, such as redness, swelling, or unusual discharge. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's best to consult with your veterinarian to ensure your cat receives the proper care and treatment. It keeps them healthy and feeling good. Just like humans, cats can experience ear infections and other ear-related issues. By keeping their ears clean, you're helping to prevent these problems and ensuring your cat remains comfortable and happy. And clean ears play a significant role in their overall health. Cleaning your cat's ears doesn't have to be hard. With the right tools and a gentle approach, you can make ear cleaning a stress-free experience for both you and your cat. Start by gathering the necessary supplies such as a cat-safe ear cleaning solution, cotton balls or pads, and treats to reward your cat for their cooperation. With a little patience and the right know-how, you can make it a good experience for both of you. Begin by gently holding your cat and reassuring them with a calm voice. Apply a few drops of the ear cleaning solution into the ear canal, then gently massage the base of the ear to help loosen any debris. Use a cotton ball or pad to wipe away the dirt, being careful not to insert anything deep into the ear canal. So, let's learn how to clean those cute little ears. By making ear cleaning a regular part of your cat's grooming routine, you'll help them stay healthy and happy. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in ensuring your feline friend feels their best. Let's dive into the steps and tips for effective ear cleaning so you and your cat can enjoy many happy, healthy years together. Cats can get earwax and dirt in their ears, just like people. But unlike us, they can't clean their ears on their own. This is where we, as responsible pet owners, come in. Regular ear cleaning is an essential part of maintaining your cat's overall health and well-being. If we don't clean their ears, it can cause problems. Over time, the buildup of wax and dirt can lead to discomfort and even pain for your feline friend. You might notice your cat scratching its ears more frequently or shaking its head. These are signs that something isn't quite right. Think about how itchy and uncomfortable your ears would feel if they were dirty. Now imagine that feeling for your cat, who can't tell you directly that something is wrong. They might try to relieve the itchiness by rubbing their head against furniture or shaking their head vigorously. This behavior is a clear indication that their ears need attention. Dirty ears can lead to ear infections, which are no fun for your cat. Ear infections can be caused by bacteria, yeast, or even parasites like ear mites. These infections can make your cat very uncomfortable and can lead to more serious health issues if left untreated. A veterinarian can diagnose and treat these infections, but prevention is always better than cure. Infections can be painful and itchy, and your cat might even scratch their ears until they bleed. This can lead to open wounds and further complications, such as secondary infections. It's heartbreaking to see your beloved pet in such distress, and it's something that can often be avoided with regular ear cleaning. Regular cleaning helps prevent these problems. By making ear cleaning a part of your cat's grooming routine, you can help keep their ears healthy and free from infections. Use a gentle ear cleaner specifically designed for cats, and be sure to follow the instructions carefully. Your cat may not enjoy the process at first, but with patience and positive reinforcement, they will come to tolerate it. The result is a happier, healthier cat with clean, comfortable ears. A cat with clean ears is a happy cat. When your cat's ears are free from dirt and wax, they are less likely to experience discomfort and more likely to engage in their favorite activities like playing and purring contentedly. Regular ear cleaning is a small effort that goes a long way in ensuring your cat's overall happiness and health. Remember, your cat relies on you for their care. By taking the time to clean their ears regularly, you're showing them love and attention. It's a simple act that strengthens the bond between you and your furry friend. So make ear cleaning a regular part of your cat care routine and enjoy the benefits of a happy, healthy cat.
Before you start cleaning, you'll need a few things. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. First, you'll need a good quality ear cleaning solution made specifically for cats. You can find this at most pet stores. Next, grab some cotton balls or gauze squares. Avoid using cotton swabs, as they can push the dirt further into the ear canal.
Timing is important when it comes to cleaning your cat's ears. Choose a time when your cat is relaxed and comfortable. Maybe they're curled up on the couch or sleepy after a meal. Avoid cleaning their ears when they're feeling playful or agitated, as this could make them associate ear cleaning with a negative experience.
Before you start cleaning, take a moment to look inside your cat's ears. A healthy ear should be pale pink and clean. If you see any redness, swelling, excessive wax buildup, or discharge, it's best to consult your veterinarian. These could be signs of an ear infection or other problems that require professional attention.
Now it's time to clean. Cleaning your cat's ears is an essential part of their grooming routine. It helps to prevent infections and ensures that your feline friend remains comfortable and healthy. Let's walk through the steps to make this process as smooth and stress-free as possible for both you and your cat. Gently hold your cat's ear flap and fill the ear canal with the cleaning solution. Make sure to use a solution specifically designed for cats, as their ears are sensitive and require special care. Avoid using any products that contain alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, as these can be irritating to your cat's delicate ear tissues. Don't worry, it won't hurt them. Most cats tolerate ear cleaning quite well, especially if you approach the task calmly and gently. It's important to create a positive experience for your cat, so be sure to speak to them in a soothing voice and offer plenty of praise and treats throughout the process. Massage the base of the ear for a few seconds to help loosen any debris. This step is crucial as it allows the cleaning solution to penetrate deeper into the ear canal, breaking up any wax or dirt that may be present. Use gentle circular motions and be mindful of your cat's comfort level. Next, let go of your cat's ear and allow them to shake their head. This natural reaction helps to expel the loosened debris and excess cleaning solution from the ear canal. It's a good idea to have a towel handy to catch any splashes and to keep the area clean. This will help dislodge any dirt or wax that's been softened by the solution. After your cat has finished shaking their head, use a clean cotton ball or gauze pad to gently wipe away any remaining debris from the outer part of the ear. Avoid using cotton swabs, as these can push debris further into the ear canal and potentially cause injury. Finally, reward your cat with a treat and some extra affection. Positive reinforcement helps to make future ear cleanings easier and more pleasant for your cat. Remember, regular ear cleaning is an important part of your cat's overall health and well-being. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your cat's ears stay clean and free from infection.
Some cats may not be thrilled about having their ears cleaned. If your cat resists, don't force it. Try wrapping them in a towel like a burrito to keep them secure. You can also ask a friend or family member to help hold your cat while you clean their ears. Remember, patience and positive reinforcement are key.
One common mistake is using cotton swabs to clean your cat's ears. These can actually push debris further into the ear canal and cause damage. Always stick to cotton balls or gauze squares. Another mistake is cleaning too often or not often enough. Most cats only need their ears cleaned every few weeks, but your vet can advise you on the best schedule for your furry friend.
Remember, patience and positive reinforcement are key to making ear cleaning a positive experience for you and your cat. Offer treats and praise throughout the process. With a little practice, ear cleaning will become just another part of your regular grooming routine, and your cat will thank you for it with happy, healthy ears.